Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is M. Zakal Repanza, NPM 234111058 from class MNZ 23A. In here I will explain to a little about business market analysis, consumer, and method of consumer market analysis. One, market analysis is a crucial part of marketing strategies. Focus on understand the unique characteristic of consumer and business market. Each requires distinct approach due to different in need behavior and market dynamic. Consumer market analysis definition. Consumer market analysis is the process of understand the needs, preference, and behavior in individual or household who purchase goods or service for personal use. Characteristic of consumer market: 1. Transaction volume. 2. Buying motivation. 3. Decision-making process. 4. Buyer type. 1. Transaction volume is a hike of transaction with small purchase volume. 2. Buying motivation is driven by emotional, psychological, and social needs. 3. Decision-making process is a more subjective, often influenced by trend, lifestyle, and personal preference. 4. Buyer type is individual or family. Key component of consumer market analysis: 1. Demographic, like age, gender, education, income. 2. Psychographic, like lifestyle, interest, and value. 3. Consumer behavior, like frequency of purchase, brand loyalty, and product usage patterns. 4. Geographic, like location and regional factor. Method of consumer market analysis is a survey and questionnaire, focus group discussion, social media trend analysis, online shopping behavior study. Application example: a fashion brand analysis consumer preference for sustainable clothing to target eco-conscious buyer effectively. 2. Market analysis definition. Business market analysis is examine the buying behavior of organization that purchase goods or service for operational use, production, or resale. Characteristic of business market, like transaction volume, buying motivation, decision-making process, and buyer type. Transaction volume, like a favor transaction but large purchase volume. Buying motivation is a focus on efficiency, profitability, and organizational needs. Decision-making process, like a rational and influence multi-stakeholder. Buyer type, like company, government, institution, or non-profit. Key component of business market analysis have three. 1. Market segmentation, industry type, company size, geographical location. 2. Buying process, vendor selection criteria, budget consideration, procurement timeless. 3. Customer relationship, like importance of long-term partnership and trust. 4. Competitive landscape, analysis of competitor and market share. Method of business market analysis, like industry report and market research, networking and direct interview with decision makers. Competitor benchmarking, supply chain and demand analysis. Application example, like software provider tailor its CRM solution for small to medium enterprises. SME, by analyze their operational challenge and specific needs. Key difference between consumer and business market aspect. Consumer market, business market. Buyer motivation, like emotional and personal, rational and organizational. Purpose, volume, low volume, frequent versus purpose. High volume, less frequent versus decision making, individual or family driven, group driven, involving multi players. Sales cycle shorter, longer, often include negotiation. Relation focus, less emphasis on long-term relationship, strong emphasis on building partnership. By understanding this difference and using appropriate analysis technique, business can craft strategy tailored to each market type. Business market analysis examines the buying behavior of organizations that purchase goods or services for operational use, production, and resale. Consumer market analysis is the process of understanding the needs, preference, and behavior of individual or household who purchase goods or service for personal use. Sekian, terima kasih.